that at the moment COVID is still on the rise and inflation is going up. So we want to get the best products and the best pricing for you. Hi guys, my name is Jamie from Fuyi Group. Today's education we're going to be talking about how to buy the best products if you're a bigger or a smaller client that at the moment COVID is still on the rise and inflation is going up. So we want to get the best products and the best pricing for you. That's why we're doing our video today, to show you guys choose the right products, choose the best pricing. First of all, if you're a small business starting up and you don't have a lot of capital, let's say maybe you have $1,000 and you want to make an order of 20 or 30 sets. Now we highly recommend that you go to our Uniforms World and buy their products, which you can offer 25% off the retail price for you to sell them as one of our Uniforms World resellers. Now this is perfect for new businesses, or if you're starting up your business, you don't know how to make the best capital, we definitely recommend working with us at Uniforms World and becoming a reseller. So now let's say if you have a larger capital or if you have a bigger business. Now at Fuyi, we offer some excellent economical products. For example, if you make a 3,000 set, 4,000 set or 5,000 set order for our medical scrubs, we can ship from our Myanmar factory. Now our Myanmar factory is duty free to over 41 countries throughout Europe and Asia. Now if you're buying from the US, we can offer MFN treatment, which is most favored nation treatment, which also means that we can bring our prices down a lot lower and ship to you even better. Okay, so I'll talk about two of the very simple ways that you can work with us. Now if you're interested, if you're a smaller dealer, you can use our Uniforms World brand. If you're a bigger dealer, we have incentives from our Myanmar factory. So get in touch with our sales team, get in touch with me if you would like to learn more about how to work with Fuyi and how to make your brand bigger.